Welcome back, operatives. Today we're jacking back into the mainframe of Galaxy customization. In our last video, we showed you how to reskin your UI and rewire your keyboard using Samsung's Good Lock, the Swiss Army knife of Galaxy mods. But today, we're diving deeper into the S Ultra series SPen, where the stylus isn't just a tool, it's a physical and digital extension of yourself. To get started, you'll need Samsung's Good Lock, available on the Google Play Store. Once installed and opened, you'll see a list of modules. Each module focuses on an area of customization for your Galaxy device. Today's mission, the Pentastic module. Now, if it's your first time using this module, you'll need to download it, but this can be done from within the Good Lock application itself and only takes a moment. So once it's downloaded, you can tap on it to open it. This gives you access to several mods. Let's run through them. First, we have Air Command Customization. Now, this is the menu you'll see when your SPen is removed and you tap on the floating icon. Now, I'm currently running the retro option, which pairs perfectly with a cyberpunk theme. You'll also get this nice proximity effect. That is when the SPen is close enough to the Air Command, you'll get each command highlighted as your SPen hovers over it. This improves accessibility while creating a futuristic UI. Second, we have the custom floating icon. Consider this the startup program for your next big move. It's the icon that you're going to see when your SPen is removed, and also the icon that you'll tap on to initiate the Air Command. Now I added a cyberpunk-esque icon that I found through a Google image search. This icon also has a proximity effect. As you hover within an acceptable range, the icon shifts slightly into the screen and is highlighted. This continues the futuristic vibe. Third, we have a custom pointer, a must for any theme loadout. Consider it your cybernetic scanning tool. It's the icon you'll see when hovering your SPen over your display. Just like the floating icon, you can create a custom pointer like I did here. Fourth, we have custom sounds. Consider this the bells and whistles of your tech. These are the sounds you'll hear when removing and docking your SPen. It's not only the starting move of your SPen use, but also the closing credit. It reminds you big moves are about to be made, or you just finished making your big move. Lastly, we have the double tap shortcut. Consider this the ace up your sleeve. A stealthy move only a netrunner would make. Once enabled and with your SPen in hand, simply hold the SPen button and then double tap on the display twice. A custom function you chose is then triggered for accessibility and efficiency. Here I've selected screen write. So let's talk how to customize these settings. First, we have Air Command, and you can swipe left to view different options. So these are going to include default, line, circle, and retro. So we're going to tap on the retro option to display additional features that you can experiment with. So first, we can add a background image by tapping the slider, and this will allow you to select an image from either your gallery or explore more wallpapers. Now, I skipped the background image because I prefer to see my home screen as the background. Additional options for the background include brightness, where you can make the background darker or brighter, and blur, where you can make the background clearer or more blurry. Now, I did set the blur to about 50%. I really like that. And the brightness could also be useful as well. And if you're unhappy with these changes, towards the middle right of the display is a circular arrow that you can tap on to restore the background to default settings. Once changes are made, you'll see an option towards the bottom of the display, use this Air Command. You'll want to tap use to lock it in. This automatically backs you out of that page and into the previous page. Next, we're going to have the floating icon, which offers a minimal default option as well as the custom option. So we'll tap the custom option for this tutorial. Now you can select an image from your gallery like I did here by tapping on gallery. Once you've selected an image that suits your taste, again, you'll see an option towards the bottom here. Use this floating icon. You'll tap use once again to lock it in. And once again, this returns you to the previous page. Next, we're going to have a preset list of pointers ranging from basic to cutesy all the way to custom. So once again, we're going to tap on the custom option. This allows you to choose an option from either your gallery or a list of stickers. Along with choosing this custom pointer, you can also adjust the size of it with a slider. And you can add a mark hover point. And just like the previous pages, you want to confirm the changes. In this situation, it states use this pointer, and we'll tap use to lock it in. Then we're going to have sound, and this is going to be the sound that your SPen makes when it's removed and docked. So we're going to have a list of presets here as well, giving you a variety of choices, as well as the custom option. Once again, I went with the custom option, and this allows you to create a remove sound as well as an insert sound. And once the changes are made, you'll want to confirm them. Again, we'll have use this sound, and then we'll tap use. And finally, we have the double tap shortcut, which we could tap on. First, you'll want to verify that the feature is enabled with the slider. And once enabled, you'll get a list of SPen features and apps. Now, I went with screen right here, and for this option, it doesn't look like there is a confirmation, so you'll just back out once you've selected the feature that you want to use for that double tap shortcut. And that's a wrap, operatives. You just leveled up your SPen from Stylus to worthy augment. Customized, weaponized, and fully integrated. If this mission sparked ideas, drop your mods and hacks in the comments. We're building a collective here, not just a channel. And as always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.